Okay, here's another routine that could be used as a backup routine for when things go awry. Okay, so let's say you've tried to do something and you've just lost control. And so you decide to just throw the cards on the table and just do a massive table wash, okay, where no one knows where anything is, which is true, okay? So you can use this as a standalone or, like I said, a backup routine to pull out of a nosedive if things have gone wrong. Okay, so what you need for this, if I can straighten up the silly cards, is you need 12 random cards. Spectator could choose those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they're free to mix these as much as they would like. That would be just fine. Okay, now you're going to give them the choice to have either the top card be their special card or the bottom card. Okay, and whatever they don't choose, you'll go with the other. Okay, so let's say they want the top card as their special card. So you just show them the top card. Okay, now ordinarily I wouldn't see this as the performer, and I don't need to, but it looks like it's a 9 of diamonds. Okay, and so what I said was the bottom card would be the performer's or my special card. In fact, we'll even turn it face up. Okay, so at this point what we're going to do is we're going to just mix the cards. This is the Mon shuffle, okay, thoroughly. And then I'll follow that up with a Charlier shuffle. And we can do this until you say stop, okay? And then from there, I thought we would do just a quick little Klondike. If you've seen this before, it's a great way to shuffle cards. You're taking cards off in pairs. And then from here, we can deal out into 2 piles if you would like. Random stacking decided by you. Maybe you want right on left. It really is a free choice. If you'd like to, we can deal out into 3 piles. Random stacking from left to right or right to left. You can do as many of those as the spectator chooses. You can deal out into 4 piles with random stacking from left to right or right to left, or even leapfrog stacking, and you can do as many of those as the spectator calls for. So leapfrog from right to left would mean this one leaps over its neighbor, this one leaps over its neighbor, random stack here, maybe right on left, that's fine. Okay, and at this point, you explain to the spectator that before you began your current career, whatever that is, you wanted to be a detective, okay? And the reason you wanted to be a detective is you just seem to have a knack for tracking down people, okay? Which is something you need to do as a detective. Okay, so we're going to perform a final Klondike shuffle here. I'm just putting out pairs. And I think this is going to confirm that I'm actually pretty good at tracking down people. Oh, in fact, there's my card. Let's see if I was able to track down you, despite all of this mixing and random choices made by you. Did I find you in the... Oh, I think I did. I really should quit my current job and go into detective work. Okay. Well, if you do what I did, this works every time. It's using principle taught on my channel, in particular in the Improv Card Magic series that I can link in the description below. Of course, it's taking advantage of the stay stack principle as well. Okay, so quickly, how this works is you have 12 random cards. Spectator can have either the bottom card as their special card or the top. Let's say they say top. There it is. Ace of diamonds. And then you take the bottom, show it to the whole world. That's your little detective card. Okay, and then from there I did a mange. You can do an over-under or under-over. What that does is it puts my card, my detective card, in a cyclic relationship to theirs. Okay, so in particular, if we look at this as a 2 cycle with cycle length 6, their card is going to be right there. It's going to be in the last position of its respective cycle. Okay, well, since it's in a cyclic relationship, you can perform as many Charlier shuffles as you like and it won't change that relationship. Klondike shuffling a 2 cycle, such as what we just had, converts it to a mirrored packet once you have the mirrored packet, you have the stay stack principle, which means for each divisor of the packet size, you can deal out the cards into that many piles with random stacking from left to right or right to left, and it won't change the fact that the cards are in a mirrored relationship. And then we can do into 4 piles with stacking from left to right, right to left, or even leapfrog. And then from there, all I did was, since this is, quote, mirrored, it means that if I were to Klondike shuffle pairs, that's a mirrored pair. These cards were on the opposite end of each other in a mirrored relationship. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. Well, my card is guaranteed to be in a mirrored relationship with theirs. And so there it is. My little detective card has tracked down their selection. So anyway, a very simple but powerful little effect that you could use as a backup routine. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.